She see money all around me. I look like I'm the man. Yeah, but I was counting out like last week. Tell me when.
I'm going to be giving you guys a review of the Rosa Beauty Hair. So this video is in collaboration with Rosa Beauty Hair, so I just want to thank them for sending me this hair. I love affordable hair. I love wearing synthetic wigs and stuff, but I really wanted a human hair bob, and this is the perfect opportunity for me to try my first frontal. So this is a frontal. I believe this is a 13 by 4 inch frontal, and you guys, it is giving me everything. Like, I've never had a frontal. So first of all, I am gonna have another video coming out about how I got this frontal installed, so you guys will see my install process from start to finish. I did not personally pluck, bleach, tweeze, nothing. I did nothing to this frontal besides keep it on my head. I had somebody, a local hairstylist here, do my hair, so you guys will be seeing that that video soon. But I love it. I love the fact that she didn't force me to get baby hairs. Like, this is the wig right now. This is the frontal. It fits perfectly to my head. Now, I do have a small head, so it does have a little bit of spacing, but I just tug it down. But she sewed it down in the back, so I don't have that spacing. But if you have like a larger head, I feel like this wig would still fit you, and I have a smaller head and it still fits. Like, it's still pretty snug once she sewed the back down. But you guys, I feel like my first frontal experience is going amazing. So let's get into the details of this hair. So this is their 1B 18 to 14 inch body wave wig, and it is a full lace front frontal in the front, and it also had a little bit of lace in the front, in the back I mean, but I wouldn't consider this a 360 wig. I would just say it's a lace front wig. This frontal wig was constructed beautifully. It did come with combs inside of it. My stylist went ahead and cut those out because I will not be using them. I personally really think that this is good quality hair. I started looking more into raw hair, and sometimes with raw hair it will look a little bit more dry. It will look like a normal person's hair, and that's really what I kind of noticed about this hair when I washed it. First of all, when I took it out the pack, you know how wigs look when they come out the pack, but my stylist brought it to me washed and blow dried, and it looked like how my natural hair would look if I blew out my natural hair. And that's kind of how I know it's raw hair and not bad hair. The texture, first of all, this hair is so soft. It is like baby doll soft. It does not get tangled. It barely sheds. I had washed it from the install. When you guys watch the install video, you'll see how she tried to style it, but since then I had washed the hair. It takes to conditioner very well. It takes to shampoo very well. It doesn't have like a luster to it, like a luster, and that's kind of also why I feel like it's raw hair. Like, it has like a normal luster of like what my natural hair would look like if I straightened it. I've had this hair glued to my head for about a week now, almost a week, maybe like 5 days, and it has not moved. It has not budged. But I did have it straightened for 3 of those days. It's really hot here in Tallahassee, and it stayed straight. So it stayed straight. When she curled it, it stayed curled, and it stays like this pretty much. To style this hair, all I did, it's really easy to style this hair. I really like wavy body wave textures of hair because they're really easy to style and get up and go. And for this look, all I did was spray it down with some water, go in with a really lightweight leave-in conditioner, and then over that I went with some humidity spray just to lock in, and then I also used some argan oil for a little bit of shine. But this hair is really easy to style for a get up and go type of person like myself. I like the bob. Like, bobs are really what's in this summer, and I think that this wig looks very natural. I really do like. No, this is it from the back. You see, it's really cute. And this is how the closure looks like up front. It's like, I didn't want her to pluck it too much because I heard that frontals start to thin out over time. So this was perfect for me. Like, I freaking love it. If I want to put it to the side, I could put it to the side. If you guys can see, if I want to put it to the other side, I could put it to the other side. And if I want to flip it and reverse it, I can do that too. Like, it's very minimal, very lightweight. I slept with it. It wasn't dry. It just is perfect. And I actually have worn Rosa Beauty hair before them ever sending me a wig back when I first started YouTube. I tried out this hair. This wig is very, very affordable, guys. For a frontal wig that is already constructed, you will only be paying between $110 to, I think it was about $140, depending on how long you want the wig. This is their 10-inch, and I did end up trimming it down just a little bit to my shoulders, but they did give me a little bit extra length than 10 inches, so you might get away with, you know, a little bit extra length because it was a little bit longer than 10 inches for me, maybe like 11 inches, and I just wanted it to be exactly on my shoulders. So those are like pretty much all the pros I have about this hair, and I also have all this company's information linked down in my description box. Be sure to check it out if you guys want to know how you can get money off of this wig, how you can get money off of their bundles, and just how you can just, you know, check out their website in general. Their hair is literally amazing, and I feel like this is a company I don't hear that much about for it to be an AliExpress vendor. So this will kind of help you guys, you know, sort through the bad hair companies a little bit. So the cons that I have about this hair, and this isn't like a con that I noticed on myself because I didn't do the bleaching and plucking of this wig, but my hairstylist said that when she was bleaching the knots of the hair, that she felt like she should have went up in developer, so it was a little bit tough for her to get my knots to look like how she wanted them to look and blend in with my scalp. But she said it is doable if you go in with a higher developer. Pretty much that's all she said. That was the only issue, and for me, like, I didn't even notice that, so that's good that she told me that. My personal issue is if you want to straighten the hair or curl it, this hair is a bit on the thinner side. This wig is a 130% density, and that is really for someone who likes a more natural looking wig. I prefer my wig to be really full, but because this is a bob wig, it works. I was just wondering how it would be if you went to a longer length wig. So if you can go to maybe like a 150 to 180% density, or even take some of your own hair and put it in there, I actually ended up doing that. So I'm not sure if you guys can see any of the blonde. Well, you probably can't, but I added in not even a whole track. It's maybe like 1/4 of one of my older tracks, and it's straight hair, and I just scrunched it up and it blended in perfectly. But I just added one little track just to give me a little bit more fullness. But I think that for a bob wig, this is a nice density. But if you're gonna go longer, just think about going up in density. But if you like the more natural looking wig, I think this is perfect for you, especially if you get it in a frontal. The lace color was in like a medium brown, so it pretty much wasn't so hard for it to blend with my skin tone and stuff, which is why my stylist was okay with, you know, not getting another developer. And it's also a Swiss lace wig, so this wig is just great for the summer. If you are a college student like I am, this hair is really affordable for you. It already comes made, so you don't have to go and find somebody to go and construct you a lace frontal wig with bundles. You can just purchase a full wig. Or if you want to check out their site, they also sell like bundle deals of 4. So you'll get 4 bundles in a closure versus 3 bundles in a closure. You can just get everything how you want it, or you can get 3 bundles in a closure. But yeah, please go ahead and check out Rosa Beauty Hair. Once again, you guys, this hair is going to be my freaking summer hair. I feel like this hair is going to be so cute when I start my internship. Like, I can tuck it behind my ear tail. I can just do anything, and if it means anything to you guys, like my boyfriend loves this hair, so your mans might like it too, or your girl, whichever. If you guys would like more hair reviews, more hair videos from me, give this video a thumbs up. Yeah, and I will see you guys in the next. Get into my freaking makeup, my highlight, and let's get into this dress, you guys. This dress is summer approved. Like, yes, I don't think you guys ever get to see my body, but this dress is just everything. My friend gave it to me, and it just screams summertime with this hair.
You just a fan, you don't hold rank.